I hope you're fine wherever you are. Welcome again to another video. So if you're new here, my name is Lucia. Karibu sana, karibuni, karibuni, karibuni. So right now it's 7:30 p.m. and I want to cook with you guys. Today I am preparing a very delicious meal for my family. My husband loves it. Yeah, he loves it. So that's what I'm going to prepare today. I'm going to prepare his favorite meal. Yeah, it's 7:30, so I'm going to pick something from my freezer. We have green light here. So beautiful, by the way. Do you love it? Yeah, do you love it? So we have chicken here. This one. Yeah. He loves chicken with ugali, and I'm going to prepare it, guys, today with you guys. These are Kianan, and I haven't removed it, by God. My God, what am I going to do? But I was somewhere, but I'm back now, so I didn't manage to remove it early enough. Oh my goodness, what will I do? This one, and it's frozen. It's frozen. Huh? He may freeze. So let me find a way and then cut it into small pieces. Let me just put it inside water. I'm very sure it will melt. Alright, so let me do that. So let me just leave it for a few minutes, just maybe 5 minutes or so that it can melt. Let me show you outside how it is. What's up, guys? What's up? Oh, you are doing what?
We are taking these ants.
These ants? You are taking them to where? So this is how it looks here. 7:30 p.m. Yeah, 7:30 p.m. and we have some butterflies here. Look at this pussycat. He's looking for so many. But by the way, these things we used to have it. Do you see them? Yeah. Let me show one. They are just there at that light. We used to have them. It's a delicacy. A very yummy one. Let me show you one. This one. Yeah, this one. Have you ever seen this one? So Pussycat here he is enjoying himself with these good delicacies here. The other one is here. Can you see this one, guys? We used to have this one when we were young, and people still have them as a very good, nice delicacy. That one. There it is, and we also have this one. Yeah, this one we used to have it. Let me show you. Can you see, guys? We have a lot of them, but now I can't have them. Those are past things, past food we used to have. So that's our neighborhood at night. That's how it looks. And there we have Nairobi. There we have Nairobi City. You see, when we are at our home, we usually see Nairobi City there. Do you see those lights there? So that's Nairobi there. We are just maybe 30 minutes from Nairobi to here, and that's how it looks. Our Mabari house. That's how it is, and a very big light there. And our Chihuahua. That's our Chihuahua. She's also our security guard. Yeah, she's also our security guard. We now have 3 dogs. They do help us in guarding us at night. Let me just rest here. We have this seat here. I was sitting here when I was vlogging yesterday, and I didn't remove the seat. Yeah, and it's still here, but today I also sat here when I was just minding my own business. All right, I hope you are good wherever you are. We are fine here, all of us. We are good. We are very, very fine, and we thank the Almighty for the far and for the blessings. All right, so remember to subscribe if you haven't done that, and also like this video, please, guys. I beg you. Always remember to like a video. Whenever I post, just like. Okay, whenever I post and you are watching, remember to like. It really helps. It really helps a lot in these YouTube things. And also make sure you also comment anything that you want. I'm here to read all your comments, and I appreciate all of you. Okay, thank you so much for those who are always commenting. I love you. If you forget to comment, please make sure you comment on this video and on the next videos. I really appreciate. Okay, so today I went somewhere not far from here, 30, and now it's 7:30, and I'm starting cooking now. I'm used to start cooking at around 6:30 to 7, but today I'm late. But anyways, we are not going anywhere. We are here. We are just here. Okay, so let me just go inside and then see if the chicken has melted. Today we are not going to have greens because I won't go. I'm not feeling. I don't feel like going to this farm of mine or at the backyard to fix some leaves here. Maybe we'll have them tomorrow. All right, so let's get inside. So Olivia has another one here. We used to call them in Kamba language. What are they called? Do you know, guys, in Kamba language? Those who have Kambas, do you know what we used to call this?
It is being eaten.
Alvin, hi. Achana na hiyo. So let me see. I think now it's soft. Let me see if I'll cut them into small pieces. So guys, there we have it. Managed to cut it into small pieces. So now I'm going to fry it direct. I'm not going to boil because I'm very sure it has water because it was frozen. So let me cover it with this lid here. Okay, so that's it can be ready very, very fast. So while that is boiling, I'm going to boil water for ugali very fast, very fast. This is my sufuria for ugali. So I'm going to add water and then prepare ugali first. All right.